The arms race continues as extra GPs join the rollout, distributing the Pfizer vaccine.
Right now, we've probably booked all the way out to October.
It's a long way from the mass vaccination program still to come, as the government leaves open the possibility of around-the-clock jabs leading up to Christmas.
If people are required to work long hours, they'll continue to do that.
It's been another record week, 880,000 vaccines going into arms. Still, one professor warns the so-called herd immunity will require inoculating more than 20 million Australians.
With the current plan, 85% of the population, that's the whole of the population of Australia, will need to be vaccinated to achieve herd immunity.
Others believe there could be a compromise coming.
We need to be thinking not just about the vaccination target, but how it's wrapped together as a package with other things. Because we could probably open up the borders at, say, 60 or 70% vaccination coverage if we keep contact tracing really strong, if we keep using masks.
On Friday, the government announced its four-phase plan to reopening. Labor today declaring,
one, it's not a plan, it's a plan to have a plan.
Everything they have had responsibility for has been botched.
The timeline likely to span for months and must be agreed to by the states. The Doherty Institute has been given the job of determining just what the thresholds will be to allow the country to reopen. The government, though, concedes there are no guarantees. A new strain might see it all thrown out the window.
It's likely that these thresholds will be enduring. But if the medical advice changes because of a new strain, because of new learning, then of course we have to give ourselves the honest position of saying we'll adapt to the global circumstances and adapt to the medical advice.
Businesses frustrated.
It's not much of a plan if you don't have key metrics in place around what should be delivered and when.
Businesses can't survive forever, and their jobs, that the people that they employ can't survive forever, with us continuing to go backwards and forwards between open lockdowns.
This will help give businesses the confidence to plan and to invest.
With vaccine hesitancy high and Australia dependent on more jabs arriving from overseas, the only certainty is more uncertainty for businesses, no matter what the government might hope. Jonathan Lee, Sky News, Canberra.